CardioLog Engage is a message-focused solution aimed at increasing communication within the workplace and boost adoption. Its job is to get the message to as many relevant employees as possible and find the best ways to increase the chances they will actually see the message and take action accordingly. We have a lot of information about users, such as department, office, usage habits, what time they usually log into the portal, what sites they usually visit, how much time they usually spend on each page, and so on. This is very powerful information that we use to drive users' productivity by sending the right message to the right user at the right time. Let's dive in. First, set the goal you are trying to achieve with the message. Initiate employee interaction. Choose from a range of predefined goals or create your own personalized message from scratch. Then, choose your targeted audience. Select which employees to send a message to or define a segment based on their organizational information, department, team, role, and so on, and their past behavior and actions such as pages they visited or goals they've accomplished. Next would be choosing a communication channel. Create a way to prompt action. You can send your audience a message via email, SMS, pop-up message on a SharePoint page, automated phone call, or even a message that will show up as a channel within Microsoft Teams. With Engage, you can easily gain understanding from employee feedback. With the ability to analyze employees' responses in Power BI, you can explore your target audience's reaction or motivate them to take a particular action, such as updating content, attending a session, completing their training, and more. You can also use this for rating. This can be a really useful way to get feedback from users. Whether it's a thumbs up or thumbs down, a 1 to 10 rating, or a 3-button rating, you might want more specific information from your users, so you can also select an open question, single answer, or multiple choice. And you can add the different options here. Ask users a question right after they performed an action for really valuable feedback about their experience, which they might not remember if we ask them the same question during their next visit. If we use search as an example, if the user is spending a lot of time viewing the search results page, we can ask them what they're looking for. We can ask them the same question if we see that the user is performing a few consecutive searches, without clicking on any search results. This enables us to get timely feedback from our users that we can then use to improve our user experience and ultimately to improve portal and drive productivity. And finally, select the trigger. Schedule the message to be shown to the user at a specific date and time, whether it's 8 a.m. your time or 8 a.m. the user's time, no matter where they're located. Or you can trigger this based on the user's behavior. For example, when they viewed a specific page for a specific amount of time, or scrolling down a specific page, and so on. And we just looked at a few examples here, but there's a lot you can do with this tool. And the aim is to use this to further engage users based on the information captured by CardioLog Analytics.